Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to compare two strings represented as linked list. So, the problem statement says we have given two strings represented as linked list. Every character is a node in given linked list. We have to write a function that compares these two strings, that is, it returns 0 if both strings are same, 1 if first string is lexicographically greater, and -1 if second string is lexicographically greater. Let's see some examples first to demonstrate the problem. In the first example, we have given two inputs in the form of linked list which represents string in this problem. List 1 is G, E, E, K, S, A and list 2 is G, E, E, K, S, P. It will return -1 because list 2 is lexicographically greater than list 1. Let's try to understand the example. Initially, we start with the first character of both linked list. Here, G, since both are equal, we move forward and traverse till S. When A and B are compared, then since B is greater than A, it makes list 2 lexicographically greater than list 1 and -1 is returned. In the second example, we have given list 1 as G, E, E, K, S, A and list 2 as G, E, E, K, S. It will return 1 because list 1 is lexicographically greater than list 2. Let's see one more example. We have given list 1 as G, E, E, K, S and list 2 as G, E, E, K, S. Here both list 1 and list 2 are equal, so the output will be 0. Let us now look at the C implementation of this problem. The return type of this function is int, since it will return 0, 1 or -1 according to given input strings. This function takes two arguments, the head of the first linked list and the head of the second linked list. Inside this function, in this while loop, list 1 and list 2 is checking whether either of the linked list is null or not, and this is checking whether the current character of both linked lists is equal or not. We traverse both linked lists and update pointer to point to the next node of both linked lists till current characters of both linked list matches and stops when current characters don't match or when either of the linked list reaches its end, means either list 1 or list 2 or both list 1 and list 2 becomes null. If both lists are not empty, means list 1 and list 2 both are not null, we compare the current characters of both the linked list. And if current character of list 1 is greater than current character of list 2, we return 1, else we return -1. There may be case after traversing both linked list, one of the linked list becomes null. If list 1 is not null and list 2 becomes null, then it concludes that list 1 is lexicographically greater than list 2, so we return 1. If list 2 is not null and list 1 becomes null, then it concludes that list 2 is lexicographically greater than list 1, so we return -1. There may be doubt where we are handling the case when both strings are equal. Let's look at the code again. If both strings are equal, then after traversing through the while loop, list 1 and list 2 both becomes null. So it will not enter any of the if condition, it will directly jump to the return 0 statement. So this covers all the cases. The time complexity of this algorithm will be O(n), where n is equal to minimum of length of both linked list, that is n is equal to minimum of length of list 1 and list 2. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.